The S-Zone Travel Garment Bag boasts a unique 3-in-1 design, functioning as a garment bag, duffel bag, and including separate compartments for shoes and toiletries. With its compact dimensions of 21 inches by 11.5 inches by 12 inches, this bag meets airline carry-on size requirements, making it a convenient travel companion. And constructed from durable, lightweight canvas, this bag can accommodate up to 3 suits or maxi dresses, ensuring your clothes remain wrinkle-free during travel. The bag offers multiple clever pockets, including a detachable suit bag and a waterproof zipper pocket, providing ample space and organization for your essentials. With a generous capacity of 50 liters, the bag is spacious enough to hold 3 to 5 days' worth of essentials, making it ideal for various types of travel. Whether you are on a business trip or a weekend getaway, this versatile bag serves as an excellent choice for anyone needing a reliable and stylish travel companion.